Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Frandle Technology Company. Yeah, so I'm here to introduce you to the new arbitrage opportunity. Yeah, so if you're in Nigeria and you buying USDT will cost you a huge amount, this video is for you. So pay attention to it very carefully so that you know much about what you want to do next. Yeah, so you'll be using Eversend, Bybit, and Binance to date. Yeah, so if you don't have even have Binance, I will show you a different way for you to do it. Yeah, so let me open my Eversend. Yeah, so when I open the Eversend, this how my Eversend demo account looks like. Yeah, I use this for tutorial sake. Yeah, so this platform will help you receive money in Ghana cedis or in Naira. You see, yeah, Ghana cedi and in Naira. So currently, comparing $1 to Ghana to let's see, comparing $1 when you want to buy dollar with Naira right now on Eversend will cost you 1,691 Naira. So it means that this 1,619 to Ghana cedis, what is carefully, 1,691 to Ghana cedis is 16.19. 16.19. So it means that it cost. So that then. So this is what you do. First of all, you have to go to Play Store or Google Play Store and search for Eversend. So when you search for Eversend, then you download the Eversend app. After that, go to your profile and verify your account. You see, and verify your account. So after doing your verification and everything, then you do this. So this one, we are doing what arbitrage. So you in Nigeria, you'll be doing the trade with a Ghanaian. The Ghana person will buy you the crypto, then you sell it and you make profit. Because when you use your Naira to buy the crypto, it will cost you a huge amount. So when you after doing it, you see that your wallet will appear like this. Yeah. So that's how you do. You go to send. The send your contact list. You automatically see people on a contact list that have already registered the Eversend account. So if you know them from, let's say, Ghana, you can call them and be like, you want to do this trade with them. That's another way. You see that thing. So let's say you don't have anyone in the contact list that is from Ghana or that is from Ghana on Eversend. What you have to do is find someone who do crypto, who do arbitrage, who's on Eversend like me. You can do business with me and you pay small commission, then we will trade. Yeah. So this is how you do it. You go to your Naira account. Since I'm in Ghana, I can't found. You cannot find this wallet. Please try. You see, I can't find this Naira account. What I have to do is like put money in my Ghana cedis and exchange it to Naira. But if you're in Nigeria, you can find your Naira account from Nigeria. You can do that. Yeah. So after finding the account, then the person you want to do the arbitrage with have to also download this Eversend and verify it. So after the person have verified everything, then you come to send. 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 So let's assume you are sending to this person. Send to this person. You see, so if it's naira, it will be in naira like this. Yeah, and the person will receive the money in Ghana cedis. You see that thing? And the person will receive the money in Ghana cedis. So when the person receives the money in Ghana cedis, so let's assume that you want to buy 100 USDT. So you put money equivalent to 100 USDT. So the person will convert it for you. That's okay. Like to buy 100 USDT on Binance or Bybit, it will cost you, let's say, 1,600 Ghana cedis. So you transferring the money from Nigeria to Ghana cedi, it will convert it for you automatically. So let me show you something. So like 100,000 Ghana cedi, 100,000 naira. I don't have money. That's why it's not converting. Let me see. I don't have money. That's why it's not converting. ₦100,000. Then it will convert the money for you here. You see, it will convert it for you here. Automatic. It will convert the money for you. You see that thing? Yeah. It's convert the money for you here. So let me see. Naira. So when you have the money inside, to convert to Ghana cedi for you here, for you to say the amount. So you know that this is the amount you have sent to the person, and this is what you are expecting the person to do for you. Is that thing? Yeah. Okay, let me choose for you. Like I want to see whether I can they will give me something for me to see, but it's not coming. Yeah, so you will see the money, the amount over here. Yeah, so after receiving the amount over here, you from Ghana, you buy the USDT and send to the person. So listen, so you will open, let's say, your Binance or Bybit. So Binance, so it means that you are here to buy USDT. So you go to your trade and go to P2P, and you go to your buy session and buy USDT from here at a cheaper rate from here. So 1603, converting that 1,000 something to, it was 1618 something like that. So it means that you can buy it at a lower rate in Ghana and send to the person. So when the person also go to Bybit and exchange it to naira, he or she will make additional profits. Yeah, so you come here and buy the USDT. So after that, after buying the USDT, you will let the Nigeria person send his or her USDT address. It can be TRC20 or ERC20 or Polygon, any is that thing. Yeah, then you send the money to the person. So you're going to send the money to the person will know that, okay, then this is the amount I spent on this. So if I go to Bybit and go to sell, I can sell it on this rate. How you may get it? Yeah. So this short way, if you're in Nigeria, you can use to make money, and this is what we call arbitrage. So you find someone in Ghana, send the money to the person on Eversend. You see, then the person will buy the USDT or Bitcoin on, let's say, Bybit or Binance at a lower rate, and the person will send to you. you can go to Bybit and sell it at a higher rate in naira. You see, to receive naira, because comparing when you're converting naira and converting USDT to naira is higher than converting cedis, than converting dollars to cedis. The naira one is what's higher. You see that thing? Yeah. So this how you do to make profits in Nigeria if you want to do arbitrage. As simple as that. Yeah, because a lot of people want to know how it is done. That's why I've done this video for you. So if you feel the vibe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's keep rolling.